All right, so today we're going to be talking about red blood cells and why it's important to rebuild them. Now, they play an important role in your health and they carry oxygen, fresh oxygen throughout your body. So, what is a red blood cell? What does it do in your body? Well, hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries oxygen. Red blood cells also remove carbon dioxide from the body, so it's transporting it to the lungs for you to exhale. Red blood cells are made inside your bones in the bone marrow. They typically live for about 120 days and then they die. So I'm going to show just a little bit of foods that will help build red blood cells. These foods are rich and will help. So if you're feeling tired and sluggish, then some of these foods are going to help build the red blood cells. All right, so first I wanted to talk a little bit about foods that are rich in iron. So as you can see, some of these foods are the beans. All right, so they're going to be the beans, legumes, lentils. That type of bean is going to help build iron. It's going to give you some iron that you need, and the importance is the body rebuild and replace what was lost. So daily intake of iron-rich food will help increase red blood cells in the body. Now, this is because it is an essential part of red blood cell and hemoglobin, as it helps deliver oxygen to different parts of the body. All right, next is folic acid. Folic acid is something that we sometimes don't even think about. But if you're eating a rich leafy green vegetable diet, then you need to make sure that you're getting enough of it. So just a little salad is probably not going to do it. So maybe adding it into a juice, adding more greens in a smoothie. So make sure you get enough folic acid, otherwise known as B9. Folic acid helps in the production of normal red blood cells. A significant decreased folic acid may predisposition you to anemia. So next, vitamin A. Vitamin A, and we all know that carrots carry a lot of vitamin A. So juicing your carrots, making sure that you're getting enough each day. So vitamin A, retinol or vitamin A supports stem cell development of red blood cells in the bone marrow by ensuring that developing red blood cells access enough iron required to process hemoglobin. So carrots, sweet potatoes, squash. We talked about the leafy green vegetables. Also sweet red peppers, fruits like apricots, grapefruit, watermelon, plum, cantaloupe, melon are very rich in vitamin A. All right, so next, vitamin C. We do get them through our fruits, but we need to make sure we're getting enough. So juicing, consuming large amounts. There are also supplementations that you can take. So get your vitamin C as well, making sure that you're getting your daily dose. Take vitamin C when you take your iron supplements, or if you are taking, consuming your juices. So this is because vitamin C boosts the ability of the body to absorb more iron, so increasing red blood cell production. So taking about 500 milligrams of vitamin C once daily together with your iron supplements is going to help the absorption rate in the body, making it more effective. So remember to boost on your C's. All right, next we're going to talk about copper foods. All right. Now this is good because the copper foods are, as well as we discussed earlier, are the beans, the legumes. So you're consuming it while you're adding in the legumes, you're getting it as well, your copper. Cherries are loaded with copper. I love cherries, and I've just had that craving for cherries this season. Chocolate, that's right, chocolate, but make sure you're not getting the sugary types of chocolate. Get your chocolates that are more raw chocolate. All right, now exercise. I know we don't like to hear that, but exercise is going to give you the overall healthy lifestyle. It's going to help your body, and getting a daily exercise is good for everyone, including those with low low red blood cell levels, and it can help benefit you both physically, mentally, and it keeps you healthy, and it's recommended to avoid acquiring certain diseases and illnesses. So it's not only going to help cardiovascular, there's so many different exercises that you can do. So just find something that you can do, whether it be walking, but just make sure it's regular every day. Now today I'm going to share what I use as well as all the other things that I shared. I use the Chlorine Oxygen, and this is just a dropper, and all I do, as you can see, is just a nice 16-ounce glass of water. I add in a few drops of the Chlorine Oxygen, and this helps build the red blood cells. I've been using this for a few years now, and so you add a few drops in there, and that's as simple as that. You can add it in your smoothie, you can add it into your juices, or you can just add it into your water. It's so simple. Now, it may not look really appealing. It doesn't taste like anything at all. That's the good news. You can add other flavorings. You can add lemon. I like to add a little bit of my lemon essential oils in there. Gives it that nice concentrated lemon flavor. And I also like to add in a few drops of grapefruit essential oil. Well, I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend. I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.